Hi everybody, this is Randy Valicki, and today I'm here to talk to you about our LaserBand 82. Our LaserBand 82 is our flagship product, and it's the shortest treatment time out of any product that we offer. When you get yours home, you're going to be very anxious to use it, but you're going to need to charge it for 4 to 6 hours before you start. Charging is simple. Inside the box, you'll find another box, and inside that box, you'll find the power supply. Of course, the USB-A goes into the plug, and the plug goes into the wall. You can get it with either US plugs, EU plugs, UK plugs, Australia plugs, or South Africa plugs. The other end is a USB-B micro. Make sure you put it in the right way. You can see it goes in, it has to go right side up, it can't go upside down, and it slides right in like that. Push it in until it sits. This little light right here will flash on and off as it's charging. Once charging is complete, this white light will become a steady light and you're ready to go. We designed the LaserBand 82 to be very simple to use. It's a one-button operation. Just touch that button, and as you can see, those 82 medical-grade therapeutic lights come to life. These are the lights that are clinically proven through our HairMax clinical studies to help stimulate your follicles to help you regrow your hair. FDA-cleared medical device to treat androgenetic alopecia, which is also known as male or female pattern hair loss. To use your device, it's simple. There's a front and a back. The thinner side is the front, and what you want to do is you want to start at your forehead and you want to glide it back. And the reason why we're doing that is these patented hair parting teeth, they move the hair out of the way, they let that light energy get down to the scalp, down to the root of the problem, pun intended, where it stimulates those hair follicles to start to grow again. Now, after about 30 seconds, it's going to vibrate. And when it vibrates and you feel it vibrate, slide it back to section 2. You're going to let it sit at section 2 for another 30 seconds. After that, you're going to slide it back to section 3. It just vibrated, so here we go back to section 3. As you can see now, I've got it back on section 3. So it's section 1, section 2, section 3. Now if you noticed, I slid it back to each section. I didn't do this. It's important that the teeth glide along your scalp to give you those furrows so that the light energy can go right down to the scalp. And then back to section 3, as we said. Now, if it's a little bit tight or a little bit loose, we make different sized teeth. So we ship it with medium-sized teeth, but if that doesn't fit your head properly, we offer longer teeth for smaller head and shorter teeth for the large heads. These can be found on the HairMax.com website. Just go to the website and you can get teeth sent to you. Keep in mind, it's important to keep your LaserBand clean. You don't want any hair oils or styling products to build up on the window. So to clean it, just take a warm, damp cloth without any detergents or any solvents and just wipe that window clean on a regular basis to make sure that you're getting rid of any hair oils or any type of styling products that you might use that may block and hinder the light coming from the window. The other thing is the teeth are removable, so you can actually remove the teeth and wash them in a sink with warm soap and water. Your LaserBand 82 comes with 3 different size teeth. We ship it with medium-sized teeth, which should fit about 80 to 90% of the heads out there. But if you have a smaller head or a larger head, or if you like a better fit with the teeth, you can go to the HairMax.com website on the LaserBand 82 page and get short teeth for a bigger head or long teeth for a smaller head. The teeth are very easy to replace, and we actually include a little tool that can help you replace your teeth. To use the tool, of course, take it off of the cardboard, and all you need to do is insert it right in between the blue and white sections where they come together. And you can see right there how it is inserted in there between the blue and the white section, and what that do is that's going to release the catch and allow the teeth just to slide right out like you see there. You do it on one side, then of course you do it on the other. I'm going to do this one at a different angle so you can see where I stick it in, right there between the blue and the white section. Try to get you all angles there. And that will allow the teeth just to slide right out. Very simple. Then I'm going to set those teeth down here, and I'm going to pick up the longer teeth for a small head. Now make sure that you align. If you can see, there's a little R there, and there's an R here. The R, as in right, has to go to the right, and the L, as in left, has to go to the left. You put the teeth there, and they just slide and snap right into place, and then you're all set to go with your longer teeth for the smaller head.